30 miles an hour. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flash flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay at National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for East Central Dutch County in southeast Wisconsin, Washington County in southeast Wisconsin, until 10 p.m. At 9:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles east of Iron Ridge and moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado, quarter-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail. This dangerous storm will be near Hartford around 9:30 p.m., Slinger around 9:45 p.m., West Bend around 9:50 p.m., Jackson and West Bend Airport around 9:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornadic thunderstorm include Addison, Allenton, Colesville, and St. Lawrence. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid the windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are difficult to see and confirm at night. Take cover now.